Ethan, if you want to do the fucking mods, you need to do this and follow along. But I'm also having to try to record this shit somehow too. It's I don't know if it's letting me record anything. Give me 1 second, guys. There we go. All right. So Kiwi, I will send you the link to it right now. Hang on. You're good. You're good. All right. So there's the first link that you need. I'm gonna be even more excited next weekend, next Friday, and the following Monday because I'll be at SmackDown and Raw. And, all right. So once you open this, right, you got to go down here to the releases. It shouldn't be. All right. So scroll down. All right, Cyrus, just right click and then translate to English. So click. You're gonna click the download link right there that says version 5.0.1. Yes. Just click that and it'll automatically download it for you. Okay. If you looked at my screen, you would see. Okay, so then use the link that I just sent you. I don't know what other link you're using, but that's the only links that I put in here. Yes, 5.0.1. Okay. Now you can open it, and it'll open like this. Then you gotta, once you see all 5 of these, so there's 2 folders and 3 different applications there. Once you see, no, just open. Just double click on it. Yep. Then you'll see all 5 of these, right? Okay. Minimize that for now. Now go to Steam. Once you get to Steam, find Among Us. Then I want you to right click on it. Go to Properties. What do you mean, which one is it? Right, so right click on it. Then you got Play, Add Favorites. It should say Add To. Then it should say Manage. Then at the bottom it should say Properties. Okay. Then you're gonna go to Betas. Click it to where it goes to Public Previous. Then it's gonna do some stuff down here at the bottom where it's like your download area. Once it updates, let me know when you both are done with that. Okay. Kiwi, is yours done? But it says right here public previous just like mine does. Okay. Now you're going to go to your installed files. This is where it gets very iffy. So you're going to go to install files. You're going to browse where it's at. Okay. Once you get here, right up here in the search little area, there's a thing that says common. Click on that. Then you're going to highlight this and you're going to delete it. I know. You're going to go to this, you're going to click that one, and then you're going to delete the whole folder. No, you should just click just the Among Us folder, and so when you go back to common, click on the Among Us folder, then delete it. Or you can right click and delete it. Now you should not see Among Us in here at all. So just pretend like these two right here are just completely missing. All you'll see is whatever else is, your games. Once you've deleted that folder, called what? Did you delete the whole folder? As long as you delete that whole folder, it should be it should be gone. Yeah, delete that too. So let me know when those are done. Okay. Now you're gonna go back to Steam, and you're gonna click here on the installed files. You're gonna click the verify integrity of game files. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. You want that to happen. Okay, it's done. All right, so you're gonna go click the browse file thing again, and it'll bring up your files and it'll show you Among Us. Now, if you double click on Among Us and you open the folder, it'll have Among Us underscore data, Among Us, and then it'll have a couple other things in here, right? Just like I have here. So you're gonna go back to common. You're then going to right click on the Among Us folder, make sure it's highlighted, right click on it, and then click copy. hmm Then you're going to click away from it, then you're going to click here and click, let's see, then you're going to click paste. Yes. So then when you, just literally just click like outside the box. Or like inside the box for your files, but make sure it stays in the common files. You don't want it to go back into Among Us though. So you should have Among Us, and then underneath that should be Among Us, and then a dash, and then it should say copy. Okay. Now you're gonna go ahead and rename the file. Delete the copy, the word copy. Delete that name, like copy, and then type in capital T, lowercase o, capital U. Yes, T as in Tango, O as in Oscar, U as in uniform. Now open that folder and you should see the same stuff like here, like the Among Us data, Among Us, the base lib, DIL or DLL or whatever. You'll see all the same shit, right? Okay. So now you bring up that file of the TOU v5.0.1.
Oh my god, stop, bro, I'm stuck. Can you help me?
Once you see all these 5 files again, the ones that you downloaded, you're going to take them, highlight all 5 of them, drag them over to this other folder, and drop them in here just like this. Literally just fucking drag it and drop it. Don't put it in another folder in here, just drag it and drop it. Once you're done with that, it should have all of these files in here. So then once you're done with that, what you want to do is you want to right click on the thing that says Among Us, click Create Shortcut, then you want to right click on the shortcut. If you click, I believe, fuck, what's it called on yours? I think if you right click on it, it should say like show more or something like that on the bottom. It should be right above delete. Yeah. On Windows 11, I don't have it on Windows 11. I have mine on Windows 10. So when you go and you right click on it, on the bottom there should be a button that says like something like show more or something like that. Click that, and then it should show the delete, rename, and create shortcut button. Yes. Click that. Okay. Then go to when you rename it, rename that one the same way you rename the folder. So just the same exact way. So it says Among Us, and then it's a space there, then a dash, and a space, and then it should say, I think, shortcut or copy or something like that is what it says on yours right now. Delete that last word and then replace it with the capital T, the lowercase o, and the capital U. Then what you do is you take that shortcut that you made and put it wherever you normally open up all your games. So some people, like I only have the Better Crew link here right now. I don't usually keep them there. I usually have it in like a games folder. That's where you want to double click on that and let it load that way. Now, once you're done with that, the other link that I'm going to send you right now is Cyrus. I'm going to send this to you. Kiwi, I'm going to send it to you. There we go. No, now, yeah, now you just need the one that I sent you just now. Now you take this one and you see the thing where it says downloads, download from GitHub. Click that. It'll automatically download it to your computer. Then all you got to do is open that. Okay, you're fine, Kiwi. You're fine. So that second link I sent you, Kiwi, in your DMs, open that. And then there should be a thing on there that says download from GitHub. Click that. It should automatically download download that for you. Okay. Now just open it. Yeah. Now you just gotta open that program. No, not at all. So on the Better Crew link, when you get it and you open it up, it should say waiting for Among Us unless you already have Among Us open. It'll say waiting for Among Us, and then open via, and then it should say Steam. If you open, make sure you open the one that we just created. The one that you just downloaded, yes. Because it should open up like this, but it'll say like open Steam. So if you just have it like this, once you open the game that the modded version that we just created for you guys, once you open that, this will fix itself. What do you mean? Yeah, for the Among Us TOU, yes. You can create it inside the folder. That's fine. Yeah, but if you're gonna use it to drag it out and put it somewhere else, you can still use. It's the same thing. Just make sure you have a copy of the actual thing that's. Make sure the copy of Among Us is still in there. Like so a copy has to be in there. Yeah. So here. Ready? I'm gonna show you how to do it. So another way you can do this is if you go here to the open via, you click the drop down box, click custom, type in like for instance TOU, right? So it's going to come in, it's going to show, it's going to be highlighted for the exe. You're going to select a file, and then you literally can go to the Among Us-TOU file and open that. Like, so select file, click on the Among Us TOU, click open, and then click confirmed. And done. At that point, for now on, all you have to do is open the Better Crew link, click on the TOU like I just did, and guess what? The game is loading. Data folder not found. Your stream's not even showing me. I can't see your live. It's not working. Probably not, unfortunately. What did Obey is the one who had that same issue. Go back to your files and make sure. Okay, what is yours, Kiwi or Kiwi? Go back to Steam. Right click Among Us properties, installed files, and then browse. Then go back to common. If it was the same, then yeah, it would be working for you. So for somewhere it's messed up. You found it again? So here's the cool thing, Kiwi. So on this one, what you can do is if you click, say, right here, right? On the search bar here. So right here. If you click that, copy it, close out of all this. You go to Better Crew Link. When you go to do the custom, you can put the path. If you select file, click here again. Paste what you copied earlier. So from here, paste this into here. It'll put you right here, and then you just click that, the Among Us-TOU, and then click open. Okay, so then what we're gonna probably have to do is you're probably gonna have to redo all that again. Because somewhere in a step, you might have missed something. Normally it'll work normally fine, yes, because there's those two separate folders. So that tells me that, I mean, you could do that, yeah. Okay. Yeah, let me move us into a channel where you guys can do that. Alright, go ahead and try doing it now. Okay, let me see what you got going on, Kiwi. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's what we want you to have. Because if for some reason the other one that I had you set up, if that one somehow fucks up, it's not going to fuck up your whole Among Us game. Does that make sense? Hang on. Did you create that shortcut? Yeah, right there. It's right there. So the one that says Among Us-TOU, click that. Then click what does that say? Open. There you go. Now click I can't read that. Alright, now click the drop box. The little drop down menu. Like this. Scroll down to TOU. Click that. Now click TOU. Unable to find module. Really? What is going on? Hang on. Oh, wait. There we go. There we go. Yeah, it's gonna take a minute to load the game. Understand it. Now, there you go. Now click my account. Kiwi. Click account. You're gonna want to change your name. Yeah, figure I'd let you know now. You're gonna have to change your name so that way you can. It's at the bottom right. There you go. Go to account and then click account and then click change name.
Bye bye.
Say that one more time. Somebody played a sound in my stream. Yeah, whatever you want. Yeah, Sean, I'm trying to fucking listen, bro. Just so you know, Kiwi obeys already using the rainbow one. Alright, so now that that's all set up, we're good. As long as you guys have all that set up, we're good to go. Alright, they should be good to go now. X V O Z X G. Yeah. X is an X-ray, V is in Victor, O is in Oscar, Z is in Zed, X is in X-ray, G is in Golf. Say it again. Kiwi, I'm sending it to you right now. You're good.
Oh my god.
Okay, who's got static like crazy? I think it's CJ.
What?
Yeah,
Wait,
it's
what?
CJ.
What's wrong?
So I can hear you twice. One, I can hear you in Discord and in the game. And two...
How can I cancel both, like here on Discord and in the other way?
So just mute yourself in Discord.
But I can't hear no one of Among Us.
You can hear
That's
me
the
right
thing.
now, can't you?
Let me check.
Can you hear? Are you literally listening to me right now?
Yes, I can listen to you right
I'm
now.
talking in the game.
Oh, okay, I got super confused, bro. My bad. Thank
You're
you.
good.
Just not talking.
Yeah, you got a lot of static. Holy shit. Chaos, how'd you fix your problem? Is Chaos not talking? I don't know. I don't know.
Why can't I have a hat? Why?
Hey, you guys can hear me now?
Yeah.
What the hell?
I don't know if it's fixed or not. I don't give a fuck by now.
No, your son's fine now.
My...
Yeah, now we just need CJ to fix it.
I don't know how to fix it.
He just needs to
Like,
put
literally.
Just